We go through a lot of cleaning supplies these days especially, and it can really add up. Bill Hurrelbrink went to our partners at Better Homes and Gardens for a game plan on getting more out of our products in today's Better Homes.
The trick is adopting strategies that make your cleaning products stretch further and last longer. Start by focusing on the highest trafficked areas. Think doorknobs, countertops, and the refrigerator door. Then be smart about your space. If you're cooking a lot at home, try limiting your meal prep surface so you don't need as much product to clean up after serving the meals. Next, only use what you absolutely need. Now is the time to evaluate how much detergent you really need. Read the packaging to get a better idea. Also, think before you clean. When you fill your sink to do the dishes, also use the fresh sudsy water and a cloth to wipe down your counters, stovetops, and fridge. Another tip, let cleaning products sit. Mopping with a half a cup of bleach requires 5 to 6 minutes of contact before rinsing. You should wait at least 30 seconds before wiping away most disinfecting sprays. And after wiping down a surface with disinfectant wipes, you should allow the surface to dry for 4 minutes. Also, make sure to spray the cloth, not the surface. You will actually use less cleaner if you do this. And utilize multi-use products. Read the labels, and if it says it kills 99.9% of viruses and bacteria, you can use your cleaner basically anywhere in the house.
And that was Bill Hurrelbrink reporting. For more stories like this one, find the Better Homes tab on our website, kctv5.com.